Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihillazina astafa. Amma ba'd. Today we shall discuss about founder and father of rhetoric. Hazrat Ali Karmullah Wajhu is not only founder and father of grammar, but also founder and father of rhetoric. I knew already that founder and father of rhetoric was Hazrat Ali Karmullah Wajhu. But to satisfy myself, I opened my Google and made my research. A thick headline came before me out of the Google in which was written Imam Balagat Imam Ali. And with it, book Najal Balaga also came out of the Google. In the further video, I shall describe what is Najal Balaga and what is the rhetoric. If you like my video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Wama alayna illal balagul mubin.